Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Facebook login problem, login code not received. So if you want to fix that problem, what you have to do is first of all check if you have a stable internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, you might face that kind of problem. So to check if you have a stable internet connection, you can open up your browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for speed test. After searching for speed test, you will come up to this page, and now you can tap on this first option which says speed test by Ookla. And after tapping on that option, you can tap on go, and after tapping on go, it will show you if your internet is speed or slow. So if your internet is below 10 or 5, you might have a slow internet connection or a poor internet connection, and you might have to change your internet to any other Wi-Fi or change your internet to mobile data if you have, or any other strong internet source that you have. So after changing your internet to any other strong internet source, you might fix your problem. But if this does not fix your problem, now what you can do is you just have to come back to your home page, and after coming back to your home page, now you can open up your settings. So after opening up your settings, in search bar you can search for apps, and inside your apps you have to search for Facebook. So after searching for Facebook, now you can tap on storage and cache, and then clear your cache. And by clearing your cache, you might fix any kind of glitches or bugs from your Facebook application. So after doing this, you might fix your problem. But even this does not fix your problem, what you can do is just come back to your home screen and then open up your Play Store. After opening up your Play Store, search for Facebook. After searching for Facebook, now you have to check if you have an update option. So if you have an update option, you might have to update your Facebook application. So you have an outdated version of Facebook, and because of that you are facing some kind of problem, because after updating your Facebook you will access some new features, and Facebook will fix any bugs or glitches from your Facebook application. So just update your Facebook application if you have an update option. After doing this, you might fix your problem, but even this does not fix your problem. Now what you can do is just again open up your settings, and then again search for apps, and then inside your apps you have to search for Facebook. After searching for Facebook, now you have to tap on notifications, and then you have to allow every notifications that you can see. So because if you have not allowed your notifications, you might not receive a notification that you have received a code from Facebook. So you just have to allow these notifications, and after allowing this notification, you might receive your verification codes from your Facebook. And that's it guys. After doing this, you might fix your problem. So that's it guys. After doing this, you will fix your problem. And this is how to fix Facebook login problem, login code not received. So that's it guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.